Four quadrant operation of DC motor. This is called four quadrant operation of DC motor. So here it is operating in the first quadrant, second, the third, and fourth. Okay, four regions it is operating. First quadrant operation, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. This is called forward motoring mode and forward braking mode and reverse motoring mode and reverse regenerative braking. Four quadrant operation, four quadrant operation can be done by using this circuit. Okay, that's called. This is also called as four quadrant operation of DC motor. So here on this circuit diagram, this is also called as a Type chopper. This is also called as a Type chopper, and also it consists of four power semiconductor switches. Understood? Power semiconductor switches are CH1, CH2, and CH3 and CH4. Power semiconductor switches and four power diodes. Diode D1 and D2 and D3 and D4. Consists of four power semiconductor switches, CH1 and CH2, CH3, CH4, CH1 to CH4, and also consisting of four diodes, power diodes, not the normal diodes, power diodes, D1, D2, and D3, D4. Okay. So these are all here diode D1 and D2 and D3, D4, and chopper CH1, CH2, and CH3 receivers are connected in anti-parallel. Understood? Power semiconductor switches CH1 to CH4 and the power diodes D1 to D4. Understood? In anti-parallel. These are all connected in anti-parallel. Understood? So here, working of the chopper in four quadrant operation. First forward motoring mode. So we are considering the first forward motoring mode, and then next forward braking mode, reverse motoring mode, and a reverse braking mode. So only four quadrants are there. So we will discuss try to considering on four quadrants. First we have to considering on first forward motoring mode, forward motoring mode. Try to consider here forward motoring mode and that forward motoring mode. So what happened? In this forward motoring mode, first quadrant operation. First quadrant operation, that is called VA. Voltage and currents are both are positive. Am I right? In first quadrant operation, voltage and currents are both are positive. Try to consider this called in first quadrant operation of this voltage and currents both are positive. Okay, the voltage V0 and I0 are positive. It's the forward motoring mode. So in this forward motoring mode, what happened? First quadrant operation in this chopper CH4 kept on. CH4 kept on. So it is a chopper pose is on. Understood? Chopper CH3 kept off. Chopper CH3 kept off. CH4 is on and CH3 off. Okay, these are the three control devices. Huh? These are all control devices. That's why it is to turn on the device, is in our hand only. Am I right or not? But diodes are not in our hand. Based on current direction, is turn on and turn off automatically. Okay, but as these two are these are the devices, control devices. That's why first chopper CH4 is kept off on. First chopper CH4 is turned on and the chopper CH3 kept off, and CH1 is operated. Chopper CH1 is also operated. With the chopper CH1 and CH4 is on. Chopper CH1 and CH4 is on. The load voltage is equal to the supply voltage. The load voltage is equal to the supply voltage, like this. Am I right? That is called V0 is equal to Vs. The output voltage across the machine is equal to the supply voltage. V0 is equal to Vs. Am I right or not? When chopper CH1 and CH4 is turned on. Okay, and chopper CH3 is turned on. That is called supply voltage is equal to the supply voltage is equal to the V0 is equal to Vs, and and the load current I naught, the load current I naught, okay, begins to flow. So like this direction. Understood? Switch 1 is turned on and switch 4 is turned on. The load current begins to flow I naught in this direction. Okay, here both output voltage and this output voltage and the load current is positive. Am I right? So only one direction now. The current is flowing in the direction. Okay, because of source only this machine is operating. That's why this source is current is flowing. That's called source current is nothing but load current I naught is flowing in this direction. And also voltage across this load is called V naught. Okay, is also positive. Okay. Here both output voltage V naught and load current I naught positive in positive giving first quadrant operation. It's giving the first quadrant operation. Understood? That's the motor mode. When chopper CH1 is turned off, if chopper CH1 is turned off, understood? When chopper CH1 is turned off, means so what happened? Positive current freewheels through positive this current. If chopper CH1 is turned off, means positive current, this I naught current freewheels through CH4, chopper CH4 and diode D2. No? So like this. Chopper CH4 and diode D2 like this. It's freewheels, okay, through chopper CH4 and diode D2 in this direction. The current is same as previous direction. Okay, when chopper CH1 is off state also, the current is also same as direction. This is called first quadrant operation. Okay, here also both voltage, output voltage and the current are also same, but current armature, this output voltage current is decreasing. Okay, when chopper CH1 and chopper CH4 are turned on, so the current is increases to the motor like this manner. When chopper CH1 is turned off, the armature current, this is called load current, freewheel is like this, the armature current is decreasing. Am I right? Okay, so it is called first quadrant. First quadrant operation gives in forward motoring. Understood? So then coming to the mode region. So here operating region. So here first quadrant mode, CH1 is operated and CH1 and CH4. Chopper CH1 is operated. Okay, CH1, CH4 on CH1. Okay, that is on CH4. And diode D2, then CH4 and D2 connecting. That's called freewheeling action. Okay, first CH1 and CH4 is on. Because of that, V naught I naught is positive and motoring mode. Okay, CH1 is operated, and CH1 and CH4 is on. And then after that, CH1 is off state. CH1 is off, and CH4 is and CH4 and diode D2 connect. That is means freewheeling action here. When diode CH4 and D2 are turned on, so that is called freewheeling action. And when chopper CH1 and CH4 is turned on, that is called motoring. Okay, that is called current flowing from source to load. Same here also, when CH4 and D2 are turned on, but armature current, this current is decreased. Am I right? This is about forward motoring mode. So try to constant forward motoring mode. First quadrant operation now, CH4 is kept on, CH3 is kept off, and CH1 is operated. If the chopper CH1 and CH4 is on, the load voltage is equal to the supply voltage, that is called V naught is equal to Vs, and load current I naught is biggest flow from source to load. Like this. If the chopper CH1 and CH4 is turned on and chopper CH3 is turned off, the load current is increases like this manner. Okay, and but is increasing. Armature current is increasing in this region. Okay, when if chopper CH1 is off, chopper CH1 is off means this load current is freewheels like this motor mode. This armature current and voltage both are positive. This is called first quadrant operation. That's called motoring mode operation. And then the second quadrant, that is called forward braking mode. Okay, forward braking mode. So in this forward braking mode, try to consider the circuit diagram. In this forward braking mode, here chopper CH2 operated. Chopper CH2 is operated in forward braking mode, and CH1, the CH3, CH1, CH3, and CH4 kept off. CH1 and CH3 and CH4 kept off. Okay, with the chopper CH2 is on. Okay, that is called reverse current flow through the L. Reverse current flows through the L. Understood? If chopper CH2 is turned on, understood? W constant in reverse braking, forward braking mode. In forward braking mode, this CH2 is operated. CH1 and CH3, CH4 kept off. These three are off. CH1 and CH3, CH4 off state. With CH2 is on. Okay, that is called CH2 on means the armature current must be in this direction. In the second quadrant operation, the armature current is negative, but supply voltage is positive. No, second quadrant operation, that is called forward braking mode. In second quadrant operation, forward braking mode, voltage is positive, but armature current is negative. That means if CH2 is operated, means the armature current from DC motors to wishes to like this man. So when CH2 is on, okay, the armature current is reverse, that is called negative. Understood? And the current flows through the inductor. Current flows through the inductor and L and CH2 and D4. Understood? And E. So like this. Under regenerative brake, under regenerating mode. This is called under regenerating mode. This generates the power supply. The DC motor acting as a generator in this region, second quadrant region. That's called forward braking mode region. This machine is acting as generator. That's why this armature current in this direction. Okay. If the armature current opposite reverse direction, then only chopper is switched on. Otherwise, it is not forward biased. Okay. When it is regenerating mode, means the armature current is delivered like this. Then only the chopper CH2 is on. If chopper CH2 is on, means it's short circuiting and the armature current is increases through the this here in this layer through the inductor, it increases like this one. So LA, RA, and CH2 and D4 like this. This free wheel is like this manner. This like this. The armature current is increases in the negative direction, opposite direction. In forward braking mode, armature current is negative. That's why it is like this. Understood? During this arm time, chopper CH2 and inductor L store the energy. Because the inductor stores the energy. Understood? When chopper CH2 is turned off, if chopper CH2 is turned off, current is fed back to the source. This current is fed back to the source. Okay. Through a diode D1 and a D4. Okay. And motor E and L is greater than that of the source voltage Vs. Understood? When chopper CH2 is off, before chopper CH2 is on state, but here chopper CH2 is turned off. Okay, if chopper CH2 is turned off, means current is fed back to the source. Okay, how means diode D1 and D4, diode D4. Okay, and this motor terminal voltage of this motor is greater than that of the supply voltage. Greater than that of the supply voltage Vs. So V0 is greater than Vs. Then only it is possible to flow the current in this direction. D1 to so this direction D4. Understood? As the load voltage is V0 is positive, here also this load voltage V0 plus minus is connected to the plus minus. Here plus is connected to the source motor like this. But armature current is reverses. Same as type B chopper. Same as type B chopper. Okay, V0 is positive, but armature current is going through the DC machine to the source like this manner. So this way. The armature current is D1 and D4 and then like when chopper CH2 is off. Okay, as the load voltage is positive and the load current is also load current is negative. Okay, load current is negative. This is called second quadrant operation of the chopper. This is called second quadrant operation of the chopper. Also, power flows from load to source. In second quadrant operation, that is called forward braking mode. Understood? Forward motoring mode is over. When forward braking mode, if CH2 is operated, first CH2 is operated, and CH1, CH3, CH4 are kept off, and if the CH2 is on, that means the reverse current is reversing. It is under generating mode. That's why current is generating reverses, and current flows through the inductor, chopper CH2 and D4 and E during the on time of the chopper CH2, and inductance is increases. Energy stored in inductance is increases, and then when chopper CH2 is off, the current fed back to the source, and so during that condition, diode D1 and D2 D4 are turned on, and then current is in this direction. Okay, current is like this. Current is negative in this region. Okay, forward breaking mode region. Okay, and when CH2 is off, the current fed back to this to the diode D1 and D2, and note that the energy voltage across the generator motor is distribution more than the supply voltage. That is called E plus L and D by it is greater than that of the source voltage. Then only the armature current is from source load to source. Okay, greater than Vs now. That's why as the load current V0 is positive and load current is negative. In second quadrant operation, this is called second quadrant operation. Then forward breaking mode. Understood? And then coming to the next concept, that is called reverse motoring mode. Reverse motoring mode. That is in this here in the reverse motoring mode, voltage and current both are opposite now. In reverse motoring mode, in this load, the current I0 and voltage V0 negative. The voltage V0 and current I0 both are negative. It is rotating in a reverse direction. Reverse motoring mode. Understood? In reverse motoring mode, try to construct circuit diagram. In reverse motoring mode, for the third quadrant operation, for this third quadrant operation, CH1 kept on. CH1 is kept on. CH2 is kept on. CH2 is kept on, and CH3 is operated. CH3 is operated. CH1 is kept up, and CH1 is kept up, and CH2 is and CH3 is operated. It's off means open circuit. Is on means here off on, here on. That means here supply voltage positive is connected to the motor negative terminal. This supply voltage positive is connected to the, and chopper CH is turned on means it's short circuit, and then this like this supply voltage positive is connected to the motor negative terminals. That means voltage across the load is negative. Understood? In third quadrant operation, voltage negative, current negative. Understood? In third quadrant operation, CH1 is kept up, and CH2 and CH2 and CH3 okay, are operated. Okay, polarity of load EMF must be reversed. Polarity of the load EMF must be reversed for this quadrant operation. Am I right? The positive is connected to negative, and negative is connected to the positive. Then polarity of the load EMF must be reversed for this quadrant operation. With the CH3 on, understood? The load current, the load gets connected to the source voltage Vs, so that both output voltage and output voltage V0 and load current I0 negative. The output voltage V0 and current flowing through the load is negative. Am I right? It gives the third quadrant operation. Third quadrant operation is also known as a reverse motoring mode. When CH3 is turned off, negative current free wheels through CH2 and D4. CH2 and D4. So like this. Negative current free wheels through CH2 and D4 like this. The current is opposite direction. Here the current is opposite direction, in this direction. Okay, that's why this the negative current is free wheels in this direction. Here current is negative and supply voltage is negative. That's called who is negative. That's why this motor is operating in third quadrant operation is called reverse motoring mode. Okay, so V0 I0 this thing they are controlled in third quadrant operation. And then finally, so what is the last one? Reverse motoring mode. After that, reverse braking mode. This is called reverse motoring mode. In this reverse motoring mode, first third and for the third quadrant operation, CH1 is kept up. Okay, CH1 is off, and CH2 and is kept on, and CH3 is operated. The polarity of the EMF must be reversed for this quadrant operation. That is CH3 is on. Okay, load gets connected to the source. Yes, so that both output voltage V0 and current I0 is negative. Okay, it gives the third quadrant operation. Based on operation, so try to turn on the switches. Based on switches quadrant, turn on the switches. Okay, then it will be operated in reverse motoring. Okay, this is about the reverse motoring mode, and then coming to the reverse braking mode. Reverse braking mode, then last concept called reverse braking mode. Here CH4 is operated. Write the constant here, CH4 is operated. In reverse braking mode, current is positive, voltage negative. That is called fourth quadrant operation. Under fourth quadrant, current is positive, voltage negative. Am I right? Remember that. Current is positive. That means current flowing to the DC motor is okay, same, but the voltage is negative. So in this reverse mode, braking mode, reverse braking mode, CH4 is operated. CH4 is operated, and other devices are kept off. Remaining devices are kept off. CH4 is operated, and the load EMF must have a polarity. The load EMF must have a polarity reversal. Am I right or not? In the fourth quadrant operation, current is positive and voltage negative. That means the source load EMF must be negative. The load EMF polarity is reversal. Okay, and this for this operation in fourth quadrant, the CH4 is on. Okay, with the CH4 is on, the positive current flow through the CH4 and diode D2. Okay, so like this, the positive current is flowing through the CH4 and diode D2, and then L and E. So like this, it's free wheels like this, positive current free wheel like this. When chopper CH4 is on, when chopper CH4 is operated, remaining devices are turned off, and that means CH1, CH2, CH3 are turned off, and only chopper CH4 is turned on. Means the armature current is the same. Armature current is same in fourth quadrant operation. Am I right or no? So that's why the armature current is the same. So it is a reverse braking mode. That's why it is also acting as a generator. So it generates energy like this. Okay, this armature current is delivered. So like this. So if CH4 is turned on, this armature current is generated like this one. Okay, and the diode is connecting and circulating like this one. Okay, during this CH4 turned on, inductor L store the energy. Inductor store the energy. In this regenerating mode, generating mode. In fourth quadrant is also generating mode. In second quadrant is also generating mode. But here in fourth quadrant, generating mode in reverse direction. Okay, so in generating mode, this inductor is increasing, and the energy stored in inductor is increasing. When chopper CH4 is turned on, and the remaining devices are turned off, and then the diode D2 is connecting. Because of this, okay, this inductor store the energy is also increases. Am I right? When chopper CH4 is turned off, if chopper CH4 is turned off, current is feedback to the source. Current to the feedback to the source. Understood? Through current to the feedback to the source through diode D2 and D3. Am I right? The current direction is same as previous direction, but here connected like this. The current is feedback to the source. The current is feedback to the source like this. So the diode D2 and D3. Understood? Simple concept. Nothing is there. In fourth quadrant, first CH4 is turned on, and the remaining all devices are turned off. And in this fourth quadrant, the motor is acting as a generator. That's why it delivers the energy. That's why I0 is increases. Okay, I0 is increases like this. And chopper CH4 is turned on, means this is up, this is up, this is up. Okay, and then current free wheels like this. Okay, if chopper CH4 is turned off, means the current fed back to the supply, but current flowing to the DC machine is same as previous direction. So like this, V0 is so like this. Okay, and this is called this way. This V0 is like this. Current is positive, but voltage is negative. So here positive, and the machine is negative connected like this. That means voltage is negative, current is positive. Current direction is same, but voltage is negative. So the supply voltage is supply positive is connected to the negative terminal. When D2 and D3 are turned on, forward bias. Okay, when chopper CH4 is turned off, that means this energy is fed back to the source like this manner. In this mode, the source is positive is connected to the load negative, motor negative. That's why voltage is negative, and source current is positive, so this is operating 4-quadrant operation. Okay, so this is about 4-quadrant operation of this motor. Understood? And reverse motoring mode, reverse braking mode. This reverse braking mode, CH4 is operated first, and the other devices are kept up, and the load EMF must be reverse polarity. Polarity is reversal. Okay, so in 4-quadrant operation, CH4 is on. First CH4 is on. Positive current flow through the CH4 and D2 and N. That is called freewheeling. Am I right? During on state, CH4 is on state condition. Yes, inductor is store the energy. Okay, inductor store the energy increases, and then when CH4 is turned off, means the source is current is fed back to the supply through a diode D2 and D3. Understood? So like this, so it's operating reverse braking mode. This is about and these are the different type of operating regions of this operating conducting device, okay, of this 4-quadrant operation. This is what